How to switch back to personal account on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can switch back to a personal account on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you'd like to switch back to a personal account on Instagram, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, just tap the profile icon from the bottom right, and currently you can see I have a professional and business account because you can see professional dashboard. And what you need to do is just tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side of the screen, then go to this option over here that says settings. Then you want to scroll and then look for the option called account over here, as you can find it. Once you tap on account, scroll down, select switch account type, and since we want to switch to a normal personal account, we'll just select switch to personal account here, and it'll ask me for a confirmation. Do you sure you want to switch to personal? So I'll just select switch to personal account option, and then I'll successfully switch back to my personal account here. This way you can actually go ahead and switch back to personal account on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.